Okay, after getting our API ID and the API hash, we will going to use it in our code. In today's video, I'm going to use the Google Sheet as the database. So our code will read from the Google Sheet and then take the value from the Google Sheet. Read the value from the Google. Our code will read the value from the Google Sheet. So I will put these two parameters on the Google Sheet. Okay, I will copy the API ID right here, and then the API hash. I will just give this number because it is needed by the code. I will put it Axiata because this number is using the Axiata number, and this and also the phone number. Okay, wait. Alright, so for the first time we have to input our confirmation code, the one-time password. Then after we logged in and we have saved the session on the server, then it's done. We are not needed to input the one-time password again. Okay. So I will just finish the configuration right here for a while. This is a client that wants to do some broadcast, so I will set message. Wait, I have to click. Okay, I'm going to do some changes on the script. Oh, come on. Come on now. What's wrong with this server? Okay. I want to change. I'll just shut down the bot. Okay. Come on, what's the VS Code? Give me the VS Code. Maybe I need an upgrade. Oh, come on now. What are you doing, Windows? Okay, yes, I cannot see it without color. Save it. Save it. Okay, let's run the bot. Okay, so in today's video I will just covering on how to make user bot. Maybe in the next video I will cover on how to connect our Python code with the Google Sheet to read and write the Google Sheet. So right now we will going to log in on this bot number 8. So I will just run it. I need an upgrade, man. Everything is so slow. And yes, we are using Pyrogram to do this user bot program application. So right, I will just Python Xaml poster project Sciada. Paste it right here. I will just prepare number because it will ask for the first time number. Okay, then boom. We just enter our phone number. Yes, correct. And then the confirmation code is coming. 15570. 15570. Then the bot is running now. It's running. This is the time. Runnable, is it? I think that's all for today's video. I don't even want to make it too long. So if you have any question, suggestion or comments, please, you are very welcome. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.